am so excited to be back on your screen here on YouTube land. Today we are doing another unboxing vintage love. This time it's with my dear friend Simone, owner of Erstwhile Style. I have known Simone since at least 2012, maybe earlier. I'm getting old and I can't remember when we first met. Simone has had her online business for a number of years, but she has been a vintage collector, I would say, since she was about yay high. Her mother was a singer in a band. Simone grew up in New Jersey, and her mother, to basically outfit herself, would go to estate sales and thrift shops and vintage stores, and she would bring Simone with her. And Simone carried on in her mother's footsteps, and she is also a singer and a songwriter and just so multi-talented. So she started to wear what her mother had in her closet, and then she began to go out into the wild, wild west of secondhand style and found her own designs, and eventually was like, why don't I start an online shop and create a side business for myself? If you visit Erstwhile Style on Etsy, you will see that she has amazing photography and truly one-of-a-kind pieces. So all right guys, literally right in front of me, you can't see it, I have a box of vintage love. Simone sent me 5 to 6 outfits, I don't know how many, that I'm going to wear. Well, first of all, I'm gonna do a haul for you of them, and then I'm going to model them all around upstate New York. If you checked out the last 2 videos, I have been spending some time in Canajoharie, New York, which is God's country, in my eyes anyway, being a city slicker girl. Let's get to it. Let's open this box of vintage love. Let's see what's inside. And then when you guys see what I model, I want you to vote for your favorite. I'm all about the voting game. Don't forget to vote for your favorite look in the comments. So who's ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. Ta-da! It's a big one. It is a big O box. So I've got my box and I've got my scissors. I'm gonna hold it like this, and I'm going to open the box. Oh no, here we go. All right, are you guys ready for this? Because this is gonna be intense. You guys are probably gonna drool, and you need to be sitting in one place so you can take it all in. Okay, let's do this. All right, scissors over here. I've got my box. So, who's ready for unboxing vintage love look number 1? This guy. All right, so what is inside? What is inside? And you know what? I think I will actually have to put the box down temporarily. Okay, item number 1. I'm already seeing some Indian gauze. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, do you guys see? It is like almost a maxi dress, and it's this flowy, it could be Indian gauze or kind of like a cheesecloth material. Has a great print. It's very 70s chic. And then she's paired it with this great belt, this great little boho suede belt with some fringe on the end. So that's gonna be great because that's gonna give me a waist. I really love the neckline, and oh my gosh, where am I gonna film this? Where am I gonna model this look? I love it. How about you guys? Look number 1. That was look number 1. What's look number 2? I'm just gonna put my hand in the box and grab a garment. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is what we call a novelty print. Is this it's a dress. Oh, it's so flippin' cute. Do you guys love this or what? Do you see this print? They're little boats. They're like in the harbor or something, I don't know. Oh, and there's like little canoes or lifeboats. This is adorable, and it has a great fitted waist and these kind of kick pleats for the skirt. And this is simply darling. This is gonna look great, especially up against the greenery of this great land called upstate New York. So this was look number 2. Let's see what look number 3 is. She sent me a purse. Guys, this is the first, oh my God. Are you guys ready? It's a tapestry scenic purse of a man, I think it's a man, and a woman dancing. It looks like it's Spanish inspired. There's even a little guitar player off to the side. She is kicking up her feet and she is getting down, guys. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And it has plastic on the inside and this awesome gold hardware, and it's in great condition. So I guess the idea is that I will pair this with one of the pieces. I don't know what yet, so you'll have to stay and watch the video to see what I end up pairing this awesome tapestry purse with. Simone, what are you doing to me? Okay, we've got, no way. Look at this. It's a Norwegian jacket. I don't even know what to say about it except for that it's wool and it is highly decorative. And I don't know much about Norwegian fashion, or I would say ethnic Norwegian fashion. Is that even a way to say it? Original Norwegian fashion, but look, it says Norway. I think that this blonde-haired, blue-eyed girl can totally wear this. It looks like I might need to find a bottom for it, but it is just so beautiful that maybe I could even wear it alone with just some, like, I don't know, black leggings. It doesn't even need something super special. So, oh wow, 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 wow. Okay, I'm assuming this is look number 3. Done. Ooh, I just saw 1930s on her tag. She has labeled all of her garments, by the way, so that I know what the era is. Oh my gosh, no you didn't. No, she didn't. This is a bona fide 1930s dress. It has a bow collar. This looks like it's like a crepe, almost a crepe silk. I'm not quite sure the material. Let's see if it says. Typically it doesn't, but it has a great vintage label. Look at that. It's in wonderful condition. It looks like it has a little bit of just natural damage, slight discoloration, but really not that much, guys. If you are a 30s lover, I hope that you pick this up because this is a large garment as well. Typically they're not this large, but this is just the perfect dress to wear in the great outdoors. So look number 4, I am absolutely drooling over this because it's from the 1930s. And this is the last garment. Oh, but I love the color. Simone, you have sent me some really incredible things. Like these boxes just keep getting better and better. All right, what are we doing here? It is, okay, this is like a turquoise teal wrap dress. Again, it's kind of like that Indian gauzy fabric, or what we sometimes call cheesecloth, and you wear it as such, and then it has these like super long, I mean they just don't stop, wraps. I don't know how I'm gonna style this. This might be better with the purse. I'm gonna have to think about it. Guys, I have some incredible pieces here, so I guess this is look number 5, and then we have a purse with it and a belt. So 2 accessories, 5 garments. I have to think about how I'm going to style these. And where I'm gonna shoot them, and just really how to capture the magic of these historical and stylish and inspiring vintage garments. So let's do it. Remember to vote for your favorite look at the end. So I'm gonna go style these garments and let's go see what they look like on.